saying that thing about Biden.
See, I don't have to show ID. Don't worry about it.
I have two more Pelosi clips that maybe there's something in here.
Who cares what Taylor Swift's going to do? Who cares what Taylor Swift's going to do? Who cares what Taylor Swift's going to do?
Well, she has all those 13-year-olds who can't vote. It's very important.
Well, they can vote if it's a Democrat state.
If they're 13? She has all those 13-year-olds who can't vote. It's very important.
Well, they can vote if it's a Democrat state.
If they're 13?
Oh, any age. Doesn't matter. 6.
You're good, kid. Come on in. Do you know your address? Can you tell me your address?
You don't need to see it. You don't have to show ID. Don't worry about it.
I have two more Pelosi clips that maybe there's something in here we can glean, because she is everywhere suddenly, saying that thing about Biden.
There's something going. This is what makes me think something's up. Because why?
Oh, Henry, you and Marcia McLuhan are really weird.
What other aspects of the team are there? Well, it is basically dialogue carried out into the nonverbal area, isn't it? Are they into the nonverbal area? Well, into post-action. Yes.
You're afraid.
How would your definition contrast with Jung's?
I once saw Jung being interviewed on film. You're afraid.
How would your definition contrast with Jung's?
I once saw Jung being interviewed on film.
Mac has been acting up like a motherfucker.
Okay. Her grandchild, Felix Kulpa. As you know, the voting age used to be 18. It will be 3 in your time. 3 years of age is sufficient now to mature the person and to give him a proper quality of senile grooviness.
Oral homework could then be put down visually.
Oh yeah, I mean, you may want to place your mobile device in landscape mode, because we are divided in this society between retail and institution, portrait versus landscape.
They in the north because they came from the south.
The word groovy used to mean new, as you know now. It means settled in well-established patterns.
Running from the bullshit that we were going through down here, you know what I'm saying?
I was interested, you see, in the fact that you were a Southerner.
Oh my God, the public urination, and you know, it's not just on St. Patrick's Day.
Really? Without an oral tradition of corporate public address, this kind of music would not occur.
I'm sure a lot of it also has to do with preaching.
Is it private? TV makes possible talk shows.
How will right now be transmitted later?
Oh, you weren't.
I thought there was lightning in my house.
Today, the ordinary child of 3 or 4 knows more about the world than Methuselah ever knew. He's been around the planet over and over again, watching TV. There's a lot of immigration to the USA.
He's so thoughtful and serious.
No, grim.
The whole culture as teaching machine.
Identity with an assembly line. The ad will become a substitute for the product, and all the satisfactions will be derived informationally from the ad, and the product will be merely a number in some file. This is a world classic. The world by the age of 3 that they're in a sense senile. As you know, the voting age used to be 18. It will be 3 in your time. They have acquired so much information about the world by the age of 3 that they're in a sense senile. You see, one's international, one's domestic. Well, we could go back to the techniques used.
I'm just going to say, you want to, oh, it's already done, but, and a dab of Coke on the side, Coca-Cola.
By Joyce and Finnegan's Wake.
Flintstones, dab of Coke
Expedia helps you find the
Barry Diller is an intelligent man.
right time to book.
You saw that Facebook bit in the video, right? Like, I'm not going to go back to it, but you saw
I gotta admit it. You girls
Thing. And after.
sure, honey, take it. Some a little they've dismissed it from their minds. Ladies and gentlemen, the
So we got ourselves a C. Phillips 92 in the form of Baron of Bayonne, who's telling us the context we need from Drive-In Season 1, Episode 13. I referenced it because it came up in my mind.
Rockadero Club.
Here we come on the run with a burger on a bun and a dab of coleslaw on the side. Oh, your cheese we will tickle with a cold dill pickle. And all of our potatoes are french fried, fried, fried. Our burgers can't be beat.
Yeah, exactly. Anyways, our burgers can't be beat. I didn't plan on it, but you see what they look like, right? Listen to what they're going to say now. I didn't plan on it. Trust me.
'Cause we grind our own meat.
No doubt. All right. Hope you enjoyed the clip.